Today we have a beautiful piece of haddock from the Atlantic. Wild caught.
And what are we making with it?
I'm processing it, but we're gonna make like a white fish ceviche with tigre. Peruvian style.
The fish. Beautiful fish. So this is the final mixture. Looking good. So we have here some guac and chips. So this is starting off with this, and then we'll get into the ceviche. Okay, trying the ceviche.
Whoa, wholesale. Whoa! Tigre.
That's really good.
Secret is tigre.